Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to continue with our chapter 2 of Arbeit's book. Yeah, Kapital 2, chapter 2 of Arbeit's book, that is Freunde, Kollegen und ich. What is Freunde? Freunde means friends. Yes, Kollegen means colleagues und ich and I. Okay. The first question, eins A. Was machen die Leute? Okay, what people like to do. Welcher Satz passt? Which sentence will going to fit? Crossen Sie, we need to cross it. Okay, this is the question. We need to see the pictures and we need to see the sentence according to the pictures and according to the sentence which will going to fit. We need to just cross it. Okay. Okay. The first picture is chatte gern. Chatte means to chat. Okay, chatte means to chat. And second one is ich fotografiere gern, to take photograph. Okay, to take photograph. Okay, in both the sentence you can see with the conjugation it is e. Yes, conjugation is correct in both the sentence, but according to the picture what will going to fit? Yes, according to the picture it is that she is taking photograph. Okay, so ich fotografiere gern, so we will cross this one. Okay, this one is the right answer. Okay, now look at the second sentence. Ich singe gern und ich höre gern music. Okay, in this picture, he is singing, he likes to sing, so the answer will be first one. Okay, singen means to sing. Okay, and höre means to hear or to listen to music, so he likes to sing. Yes, so ich singe gern. Third one, sie reisen gern und sie joggen gern. Okay, here you can see they are not traveling, they are jogging. So this one, reisen means to travel. Here sie is means they. Okay, they like to travel? No, they are doing jogging. Yes, jogging means to jog. Okay, so they like to jog, so B. Yeah, okay. Fourth one, ich gucke sehr gern und ich gehe gern ins Kino. Yes, Kino means cinema hall. Cinema, gehe means to go, and koche means to cook. Zer means very, and gern means gladly. Okay, so I like to cook or I like to go to Kino. No, here it's cooking, so ich gucke sehr gern. Okay. Fifth one, sie schwimmen sehr gern und sie tanzen sehr gern. Schwimmen means to swim. To swim, and here tanzen means to dance. Okay, you can see in the picture they are dancing, so sie tanzen sehr gern. Klar. Sixth one, ich wohne gern in Spanien und ich lerne gern Spanisch. Okay, wohnen means to live and lernen means to learn. Okay, so according to the picture B1 is more correct. Okay, so ich lerne gern Spanish. Okay, like this. You just need to see the pictures, okay, in this exercise, and you need to mark the answers. Clear? Okay, now we are going to do B1, that is hören. Hören means to listen. Okay, hören Sie, welche Sätze sind richtig? Richtig means right. Okay, crossen Sie an, you need to just cross it. Okay, the first one, second one, and third one. First one, Nina Weber schwimmt gern, sie gehe get nicht gern ins Kino. Sie chatted nicht gern. Okay, here it is schwimmen. Schwimmen means to swim. Sie gehen nicht ins Kino. Here nicht is very important. Nicht means not. Okay, and C1, sie chatted nicht gern. Okay, again nicht. Okay, same like second one. Gregor reist sehr gern. Reisen means to travel. Hört nicht gern Musik. Fotografiert gern. Okay, again here nicht. Okay, reisen means to travel. Okay, hört means to hear music, and fotografieren means photograph. Okay. Third one, Julia tanzt nicht gern. Tanzt again means to dance. Again here it is nicht is given. Sie jogged sehr gern. Jog means jogging. Okay, Julia singt gern. Singed means sing. Okay, here tanzen is there, nicht is there, jogged is there, and singed is there. Okay, we just need to listen the audio, and you just need to check whether they are doing these activities or not. Okay, let's hear it.
B. Welche Sätze sind richtig? 1.
Haben Sie kurz Zeit? Nur ein paar Fragen. Ich bin Andrea Arnold.
Ich heiße Nina Weber.
Frau Weber, was machen Sie gern?
Ich schwimme gern. Und ich gehe sehr gern ins Kino.
Chatten Sie auch gern?
Nein, das mache ich nicht gern. Ich chatte nicht oft.
Vielen Dank, Frau Weber.
Bitte, gern.
Okay, she told that Nina schwimmt gern and she chatted nicht. She told she don't like chatting, so that's why nicht is there, so we cross it. Okay, the answers is A and C. A und C.
2.
This one.
Haben Sie kurz Zeit? Ich habe 2, 3 Fragen. Mein Name ist Andrea Arnold.
Ich bin Gregor Jamek.
Gregor, was machen Sie gern?
Reisen. Ich reise sehr, sehr gern. Ich höre auch gern Musik.
Fotografieren Sie auch gern?
Nein, ich fotografiere nicht gern.
Okay, Gregor told that he rides gern. Oh, he likes to travel. Okay, and the second one, he listen to music. He likes to listen music, but here it is nicht. Okay, so this one will not come. And third one, he don't like photograph. That's why we not crossed. Only A1 is correct answer. Third one.
3.
Und wer sind Sie?
Ich bin Julia Rossi.
Julia, was machen Sie gern?
Ich tanze gern. Das mache ich sehr gern. Und ich jogge auch. Ich jogge oft und sehr gern.
Singen Sie auch gern?
Nein, ich singe nicht.
Vielen Dank.
Okay, Julia told that she likes dancing, but here it is not nicht. Nicht means not. So this is opposite sentence. So this is wrong answer. But she told that she likes jogging. So we mark this one. And at the end, she also tell that I don't like singing. But here it is written that Julia sing again. Okay. So this is again opposite sentence. That's why we marked B1. Okay. For the vocabulary, you can just note down these verbs. Okay, you already know all this. Chatten means to chat, fotografen means to take photograph, joggen means to jog, reisen means to travel, schwimmen means to swim, singen means to sing, tanzen means to dance. Okay, for example, if someone asked you the question, was Mackenzie gern and was Mackenzie nicht gern? If someone will ask you, was Mackenzie gern, means what do you like to do? So you can just tell ich dash gern. So ich chatte. For example, ich chatte gern, like means I like to chat. Oder ich jogge gern. I like to do jogging. Okay. Same way, if you don't like anything, you just need to add nicht. Nicht means not. Okay, for example, ich singe nicht gern. Okay, or ich tanze nicht gern means I don't like dancing or I don't like singing. Like this we need to do it. Okay, now we need to do dry a. Okay, you just need to according to the articles there, das, the, you just need to write the nouns. Okay, so what is according to you here? Answers are there. For this, if you are still finding difficulty that what is there, what is das, what is the, you can just take the help of dictionary dick.cc. In my previous video I told you, okay, from Play Store you can download this app. It is very good and useful app. Okay, okay, first one is there football. Now what is there? Other nouns with their masculine noun, that is rucksack. There rucksack. Okay, this is backpack. Okay, okay, another masculine a noun, that is Freund. Their Freund. Freund means friend. We done this one, Freund and rucksack. Okay, das. Das is neutral. Okay, neutral noun. So what is neutral noun? Das book. Book means book. Okay, second one is das Kino. We did this one on previous question, cinema. Kino means cinema. Okay, then das Hobby. Hobby means simple hobby. Okay, now the feminine, the start. We did hobby and kino and book. Okay, so das the start. Start means city. Okay, then next one, the Musik. Musik means music. Okay, now next one, the Autobahn. The Autobahn. Okay, what is the meaning of Autobahn? It is motorway, oder freeway. Okay, like this we need to do it. Again I am telling you, you can take the help of dictionary. Okay, if you find any word, or if you don't know the word meaning, okay, for that. Okay, again, was is richtig a oder b crossen sie an. What is richtig means right, a oder b, oder means or, you need to cross it down. Okay, okay, according to the picture. Okay, first one, ich lese sehr gern, ich liebe Bücher. Yes, okay, ich lese sehr gern und ich liebe Bücher. Okay, so here he is reading, so ich lese sehr gern. Okay, to read, so ich lese sehr gern. Okay, one minute. Okay, this one is clear. Okay, and second one, wir lesen sehr gern und wir lieben Bücher. Okay, so which one is correct? This one, ich lese sehr gern und ich liebe Bücher. Clear? Second one is wir. Okay, but here we are not talking about ich, I. Okay, wir means we, and here ich means I. Okay, that's the major difference. Second one, Sie kochen gern, Sie haben nur ein Hobby, kochen. Kochen means to cook. But in second sentence also it is given, Sie cooked gern, sie hat nur ein Hobby, kochen. Now what is the major difference here in both the sentence? The major difference is the verb conjugation. See here, it is en and here it is only t. Can you see? Here it is only t and here it is en. So if students' verb conjugation is correct, if they know the grammar, then they know that the answer is B. Yeah, here it answer is A. Okay, and here answer is B. Why B? Because with Z, with she, the conjugation is T. Okay. Now, if you find difficulty in this one, that how I mark this one, that means your verb conjugation topic is not correct. For that, I already uploaded the video of grammar. Okay, you just need to watch that video. Okay. Okay. Next one. Er spielt gern Fußball und er ist super. Und sie spielt gern Fußball und sie ist super. Here, she is playing. Yeah, she play football and she is super. So here this will come B. Okay. Okay. Now say, was is richtig? Crossen Sie an. Again, richtig means right. You need to cross it down. Okay. First one already did. Yes. Ish. Reist will not come because ending is T. But with ish, our ending is E. So that's why we cross it this one. Okay. Now second one. Tom cooked. Oder kuchen nicht gern. Okay. Tom is a third person. We are talking about third person. Yes. Tom is a name. So with this one, ending is T. Yeah. Ending is T. Clear? That's why we are marking this one. Okay. Again, Nina singt oder singt sehr gern. Again, here ending is ST and here ending is T. That's why we are marking this one. Okay. In this type of exercise, ending is very important. Yeah. Which ending we are putting with verbs. Okay, these are verbs. Okay, fourth one. Wir lesen oder lese nicht gern. Okay, again, en ending and e ending. And if you know verbs grammar topic very well, you should know that with wir our ending is en. That's why we marking here. Here with third person our ending is T. That's why we are marking. With third person our ending is T. That's why we are. With ish our ending is E. That's why we are marking this one. Clear? Like this we need to do it. Okay. Tom und Markus dash spielen oder spielt gern. Tom und Markus spielen. Okay. We are talking about two person. Tom und Markus spielen gern. Okay. Sixth one. Undu dash do gern. Okay. With do our ending is leist. Okay, that's why we are marking this one. Tanzen or tanz sie gern. Again, here it is capital Z. So we know that with capital Z our ending is en. That's why tanzen is correct. Tanzen sie gern, Frau Weber. Klar? Eighth one. Do is there. Yes, with do our ending is st. Here also we did. With do our ending is st. Here with do our ending is st. That's why we are marking this one. Chatters do gern. Okay. Like this. Okay. Was machen die Leute? Ergänzen sie die Endungen. Endungen means endings. Okay. Was machen die Leute means what people like to do. You just need to fill the endings. Okay. For example, Julia schwimmt. T is there. Julia schwimmt gern. Okay. Like this we need to do it. Okay. Julia und Nina. Okay, we are talking about two persons, Julia and Nina. So, joggen gern. Yes. Gregor dash gern ins Kino. Grigor. Third person we are talking about. With third person, we know the ending is T. So ending is T. Get, ins, gains, ins, Kino. Ear. Again, I am talking about third person. So again, ending is T. Yes. Nina und Grigor. Again, we are talking about two person. So hören gern Musik. Now, again, here it is ear. It's ear, and we know with ear ending is T. So photography it again. Okay, here it is ish. Ich singe nicht. Eighth one, wear. With wear our ending is en. So we are doing chatten. Okay, here is do. With do our ending is st. Kopst, dugen. Okay, with again here it is capital Z. With capital Z our ending is en. So Ryzen. Okay, like this. Our subject and verb both depends on each other. Clear? It is very important. You should know the subject and you should know according to that subject which ending will going to come. That I already mentioned in my grammar videos. Okay, for that you need to see the grammar videos. Okay, because here again and again I cannot explain the grammar topic. Okay, it will just going to waste our time. Okay, that's why before doing the books, first you should know the grammar topics, then you can easily do the books. Okay. A. Schreiben Sie Satz. Schreiben means to write. Schreiben Sie Sätze. Sätze means sentences. Okay, we just need to write a sentence. For example, Emily. Now here, chatten is there. We know with third person and ending is T. Okay, so second and third. Okay, now we need to do this one. So first subject will come. So Boris. This is a subject, Boris. Now here it is Tanzen. Okay, but I already told you with third person are ending is tanzt. T ending. Yes, tanzt gern. Okay. Subject, verb and rest of the part. Okay, subject here also. Subject, verb and rest of the part. The golden rule of German language is that on second place every time our verb will come. See, on first place, this is first place subject, and on second place always 100% rule is there that verb will come. On second place always verb will come. Okay, this is the golden rule. This is fixed rule. Okay. Okay. Third one, Eva. Again subject. So in first place, Eva. Then this is verb. Verb. This is also verb. Second place. Okay. Verb. Second place. Verb. Second place, and here verb. Second place. Okay. So Eva. Third person we are talking about. So again ending is T. Photograph. Fiat Zergen. Okay, again subject, verb and rest of the sentence. Okay, fourth one, Eva und Nina. Subject, so first place Eva und Nina. Okay, we are talking about 2%, so the ending will be in Reisen gern. Okay. Fifth one, Ina. Okay, we are talking about third person, so T ending, spricht. Eva spricht gern Deutsch. Clear? Sixth one, we did fourth and fifth. Now we need to do sixth one. Boris, subject. Boris, now conjugation. According to third subject. Yes, leist. Boris leist nicht gern. Okay, like this we need to do it. subject. This whole is subject, and then verb, subject, then verb, subject and verb. Okay, you can see that we put subject on our first place, yes, and our verb on always second place, yes, like this we need to do it. Okay, I hope this exercise is clear now. Your more concepts are clear while doing this exercise. Okay, fourth one. Schreiben Sie die Verben in die richtige Formen. You need to write the verbs in the right form. Okay, right now it is not in the right form. We need to do it in a right form. The example is already given. Ich höre. I told you with ich, our ending is e. That's why it is höre. Okay, they just removed en and they just put e here. So höre. Ich höre sehr gern Musik. Aber ich again. En is there, but I told you with ish, our ending is e. Okay, see here, ish, ish. So ich tanze. Okay, ich tanze nicht gern. Andra, again third person. So with third person, what I told you the ending? Andrea, T ending, yes. With third person, our ending is e. So spielt. Okay, with this one, this is a subject, third person, so spielt. Gern Football. Sie, dash, she. So again she, so chattet, yes, chattet auch gern. Here sie is she. We are talking about Andrea, that's why we use she. Okay. Now here Katja and Tom. Okay, now there are two persons, so here obviously it will come joggen nicht gern, aber sie, here sie is they are denoting this one, but they, then ending is but aber sie dash gern, again with they, ending is en, so schwimmen. Okay, Tom, again third person we are talking about, so ending is T, so gate. Okay, instead of en we put T. Gern ins Kino und ihr, again we are talking about he, with he the ending is T, so hört. Und ihr hört gern nicht. Okay, Tom, for Tom we used he. Marcos was Hennes. Kuchen, again for two person we are going to use Kuchen. Nicht gern und sie. Okay, this is capital Z, so lesen. And they. And sie lesen auch nicht gern. Okay, again Nina und ich. And here we used wir. With wir, our ending is en only. With wir, our ending is en only. Okay, so reisen. And again here wir, ending is same en. Fotografieren again. Okay, like this we need to do it. I hope now it's more clear. Okay, now we need to do this one. Hören Sie, was machen die Personen? Yes, was machen die Personen? We need to do this one. What people doing? Crossen Sie an. Okay, you just need to hear first, second and third. It's already given z, and verb. Okay, verb is given. Now you need to just hear it and you need to see what they are doing. Okay, let's hear it.
Aufgabe 5d. Was machen die Personen? 1.
Gehen wir ins Café?
Ja, gern. Wann?
Heute.
Nein, das geht leider nicht.
Am Freitag?
Ja, das geht. 2.
Gehen wir ins Theater? Ja, gern. Wann? Am Freitag. Nein, das geht leider nicht. Ich habe am Freitag nicht frei. Und am Samstag? Ja, das geht. Gut.
Yes, like this we need to do it. Okay, they are just saying what they are doing and where they are going. Okay, let's hear it. Third one.
3.
Gehen wir am Samstag ins Schwimmbad?
Ins Schwimmbad? Nein, ich schwimme nicht gern.
Okay. Gehen wir ins Fußballstadion?
Ja, super. Wann denn? Wann ist das Spiel?
Am Sonntag.
Ja, das geht. Das ist super.
Okay, like this we need to do it. Okay, I hope this one is also clear. Okay, like this we need to do it. Okay, I hope it's clear now. Okay, in the next video we are going to solve the rest of the exercise. Okay, I hope today whatever the grammar topic we discuss, it is clear now. Okay, you just need to have your grammar concept. You should understood the grammar concept very well so that you can solve these all topics easily. Okay. Okay. Okay, if you just like my video, then please if you learned anything, so please like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, because it always motivates me to make more videos like this. Okay, if you have any mistake, if you find any difficulty while doing this one, you can just comment me. Okay, and if you want any new topic, or if you find that I should cover this topic, that topic, you should just comment me and tell me. Okay, I will always be there to try my best to explain each and every topic for you. Okay, das ist alles für heute. Dankeschön und auf Wiedersehen.